In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your account number on the Huntington app. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Well, I've created a Google Docs here of how to find your account number. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Huntington Bank app. And then once you've done that, ensure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device as well. And then obviously you need to log in using your username and password. Once you've logged in, navigate to accounts. So on the main dashboard, you will see a summary of your accounts. Tap on the account for which you want to find the number. For example, your checkings or savings, etc. And then you want to view those account details. So once inside the account, look for the option to view details. This might be labeled as details or an information icon. Tap on this option to access detailed information about your account. And then from there, find the account number. So the account number is usually listed under account details or info. If the number is particularly hidden for security reasons, like showing only the last 4 digits, you may need to tap or select an option to reveal the full number. And another way you can find it is by viewing your electronic statements within the app. So go to more inside the app or statements section and open a recent statement, which will display your account number. If you're still unable to find your account number, or if these instructions do not align with the current version of the Huntington Bank app, so if you're watching this a couple of years from now, you can always contact Huntington Bank customer support for assistance and they'll help you find your account number.